If you think all corned beef is created equal, think again. Let's take a deep dive into the differences between Snake River Farms bottom round flat and brisket corned beef. So what is corned beef? Well, first off, there's no corn involved. The name was derived from crystals of salt that looked like kernels of corn, and that was used to cure the beef. Now, in addition to salt, there are seasonings like mustard seeds, which you see a lot, and the result is a very savory, flavorful cut of beef, traditionally served at St. Patrick's Day here in the United States, and also in sandwiches. So Snake River Farms offers two corned beefs. One is the traditional corned beef made with beef brisket. The corned beef brisket comes in liquid, and you'll see it in the package, and all the seasonings, the spices, are inside. And the second is made from the bottom round flat. What's the difference? Any corned beef you've probably had in the past has been this. It's with brisket, and the brisket is the front part of the animal. Beef cattle does not have collarbones, they have briskets. So it's very well used muscle. It's really tough, but it's super flavorful. When you slow cook this as corned beef, it gives it that classic texture you're used to, where there's a distinct grain to it, it'll fall apart tender, and it really melts in your mouth. So what's the story with the bottom round flat? The seasonings are included in a packet, and you can add that to your braising liquid or to your boiling liquid, or however you decide to cook your bottom round flat. It's a huge, massive muscles that make up the round. If you've ever seen the backside of a beef cow, you know how large it is. So this is the bottom section. The bottom round flat actually has a texture that's similar to sirloin. So this is a much more dense corned beef than the brisket. Now, that being said, it's still equally delicious. It has similar characteristics, but what makes it different is, one, it's a lot larger. Our corned beef brisket averages about 2.4 pounds. The bottom round flat averages about 8 pounds. And like I said before, the difference is really in the texture. Because it's a little more compact and more dense, it's more roast-like, but when it's cured with the brine and the seasonings, it has a very similar profile to the brisket. Now, the other advantage that I find with this particular one is it shrinks less. The brisket will tend to shrink down, and it's probably good for about 3 to 4 people. This one will be good for about 6 to 8 people. So you want to consider that when you make your purchase. I also find that for sandwiches, I'm a big fan of the Reuben. This is really a great one because you can slice it super thin. So there you have it. You really can't go wrong with either of these corned beef choices from Snake River Farms. If you're a traditionalist and you love that texture, shape, and everything about corned beef brisket, please choose this one. If you have a bigger crowd or you like a little more dense texture in your corned beef, try the bottom round flat. Both are available from our website. Thanks for checking it out.